It is officially spring. I'm actually so excited. We're getting close to summer. It's so cold here though. Yesterday it was 22 degrees out. Today it's 42, which is an improvement. I just finally recovered from being sick for like a week and a half. And you know what that means? I get to get out of these crusty braids and do my hair. So we're doing a little spring reset since it's finally spring and recovering from the sickness, just getting back into that healthy place. So I'm gonna rinse out my hair and style it so I can prepare for this super busy week I have. Let us hop in the shower and then let's style it together. Like I said prior, I have been sick for a little bit. So my room feels so disgusting because I was literally just laying in bed all day. So we're basically gonna clean it real quick to get rid of the sick energy that I had and make it very high vibe and a better environment to do content and work this coming week. Springtime in Vermont looks a little different than most places because we are actually in mud season more than actual spring. There's no blossoms happening and we literally have snow on the radar. Today it is 63 out, which is so exciting. Cleaning my room isn't as easy as I would like it to be, though I really need to get it done because like I said earlier is that I have a busy week and I really like to have a good clean room. So making content, doing some of the other things I have to do. So I am going to finally lock in and clean my room and I'm gonna put on my playlist. Then I'm also going to strip my bed and put on some new sheets because like I said, I was sick. I want to have a good refresh and that's one of the things I think is super important is cleaning your room and putting on new bed sheets. So let's try to lock in now. It is time for the gym and I just pulled out this yellow halter top. I kind of really hate halter tops, though I was like, this with like a cute pink jog bra underneath would be perfect for the gym. This, I don't know if it shows up on camera, but it's like a perfect shade of baby pink. Anyways, I'm going to redo my hair because I need some slut strands out. Okay, this hair looks a little bit crazy, but I swear it will look good once my headphones are on because it will kind of help frame my face a little bit better. Though I think I'm gonna make myself a smoothie and I'm kind of craving some tea right now, so I think I'm gonna make myself some tea to go. I also wanted to show off I got a new phone case. I'm literally so excited. I've had my iHeartMe phone case for a very long time, about a year now, and I have a thing with phone cases. I get a little bit burned out from a phone case for having it too long, and I really do love the wildflower one, so I got this one off Depop because it was literally like half the price. These phone cases keep my phone like protected, and especially the camera, so nicely. I've never had any problems with this phone case, like this brand of phone case. Anyways, put some cherries and a little star on it, and then I have this guy, which I think it actually looks so cute. I saw this sticker on my Pinterest that I desperately want, and it literally is like this big of a sticker and it says swag. I feel like that's so on brand for me. This is how I'm gonna show up to the gym with my mint tea and my smoothie. What am I doing on the East Coast, bro? Anyways, let's go to the gym. Okay, divas, this is it. Go like, comment, subscribe, click that little notification bell, and I see you, divas, next week. Bye.